Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Here I am with the Gigi Hadid Met Gala look for you guys. So this look was carried by Gigi Hadid in Met Gala 2018 and this is a beautiful lilac eyeshadow look, and she's done this beautiful detailing of strokes from the upper eye to the lower eye to accentuate the goddess feel. And keep you wanna know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So let's get started. So we are going to start applying the foundation on the face. And now some concealer from MAC. So now it's time for some powdering, and for that I'm using Mercier as usual. And for the contouring, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade of Earth goes right onto our contour parts. Blending it all down with the Beauty Blender. Because she had a very deep contour, I'm using a powder contour right now just to contour further to this look. So now we begin our shadows, and for that I am going to use the Jacklyn Hill palette by Morphe. And for my transition shades, I am using these two colors right here. I'm placing it just a little bit above my crease. Next, I'm going to grab some fix spray and going to spray it on a flat brush. And I am going to dig in this beautiful purple shade right here and place it on the entire eyelid. Little bit of this color and this color on the corner of my eyes. And just by going in the Juvia's Place palette, the little bit darker purple, I am just going to fill in a little bit of this portion of my eyes. And going in black in the same Jacklyn Hill palette, I am going to fill in only the outside part of my upper lash line. So I'm taking the black color and putting on my outside corner. Now by taking the same lilac color from the Jacklyn Hill palette, I am going to smudge my lower lash line here. Now I'm taking some pearl color to close my eyes and apply one triangle of glitter. Now I'm going to apply the black liner on my eyelids. So once my liner is applied, I am going to remove all my powder right from here. So I'm taking the Icy Lilac pencil from Dora. It is really beautiful, sparkly. So I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes and taking a nice line on the lower lash line. I am going to apply a very heavy coat of mascara on my lashes and also my lower lashes as well. And now taking the same pearl color liner, I am going to go on my bottom lash line and I'm going to try to match the upper line and the lower line together. Again in the form of triangle, leaving it a line in the bottom. So now I'm going to apply some fake lashes and I'll be right back. So yes, I am back with my lashes on and we are going to move on. Actually, I see a little bit more gradient color on her lower lash line, so we are going to do that as well. Yeah, better. So while I was applying my lashes, I just found this unicorn glitter eyeshadow palette and I used some glitter to just line this line more, and that's how I found the solution for a more glowy line, how I see in Gigi Hadid's look as well. So I'm using Poke Halo to highlight my brow bone. Now we are going to move on the blush. So there I see she's used earthy tone. So I am using some nudish brown and mauve color for my blush. And I'm using the rainbow highlighter to highlight my cheek. Oh my god! And she's applied a pink nude lipstick. I'm going to find a match and I'll just be right back. So I applied Huda Beauty's Gossip Girl, and over that I applied Kylie Jenner's birthday suit, and for the gloss I have added Rocketeer from Benefit Cosmetics. And here's the final look. I hope that you like this look. If you liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to hit here and subscribe to my channel before you leave. This was it, guys. I'll see you in my next one.